I'm done with bush life. I soon pack up and roll it out. Mosquito them out, yeah, operate like SWAT team, full assault every night. And for top it off, Babylon burn down my last herb field. My old Ganya farm go up like incense. I can't even hold a proper reasoning out here anymore. Yo, my viewers, I'm reach my limit now. I reach my limit now. I can't live like this to blood clot. Me I check my relatives in foreign. Me I look a better life. What the bumbo clot call this? Yo, my toes can't feel my foot them. My nose all lock off. My finger them stop respond. My can't feel my ancestry right now. My light are dead. My herb stiff. The only thing burn out here is my regrets. Wait, what is this? Yo, Me say. Send me back to bush. Jamaica, me love you. Me take back everything me ever said. Foreign is not a bed of roses.